Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by forcing the system into a high-performance state. Open settings and enable game mode or performance profile now. Once done, close background apps you do not need, because RAM and CPU cycles free up instantly for the game. Update both the OS and the game. New builds often fix stutters. Make sure to reboot after updates, since a fresh boot clears lingering processes and gives you a clean baseline for the next steps. Next, you change the game and system settings to balance load and visual fidelity, reduce resolution or cap FPS to 30 or 60 to prevent thermal throttling. Once set, disable costly effects like dynamic shadows and motion blur because they hit GPU hard. Then open developer options and reduce animation scale to 0.5x and turn off autosync where available, since these small tweaks lower CPU-GPU handoff overhead and smooth out frame delivery. Finally, you maintain healthy performance and troubleshoot remaining problems. Keep the phone cool by removing the case, playing in a shaded area, or using a fan to avoid thermal throttling. Once done, clear the game's cache and check storage. Less than 10% free can cause stutters. Reinstall the app if issues persist. If nothing helps, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts, and only consider a factory reset as a last resort because it erases personal data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.